What's up guys, it's Talha here and welcome back to part 4 on modeling classic house in Revit. Let's get started. Okay, we need to create some columns here on these corners of these walls. So go to site plan and go to architecture and select architectural column. Then from here you will get this default Revit columns. So select this 24 by 24 and place that here, but before that we need to, okay, we'll do that later on. So just place that here and you can see we need to change the height of this. So select this and change the top level to level 1 and extend we want to extend this a bit more, so you need to give the top offset of 2 feet. And let's go back to site plan and we will copy this from here. Let's make sure multiple is selected, then place 1 here and 2 on this side. And now let's add the lights on these columns. So we will use a Revit default family. So go to component and we will load that family. So select load family and here go to lightings, architectural, external, and let's select this street light, this one, this street light antique, then open. Okay, let's place it here. We will edit this family. So select edit family, just remove this pole here and load back into our project. Okay, override the existing version and you can see we got this light. So we will just place that. Okay, maybe you can see that in the ground floor. Okay, still you cannot see, so we'll do that in the top in the 3D view. Select this and just move that and place here the column. Let's go to the front view and see the height of this. So maybe I think we will get that parameter here. So yes, you can see the dimensions, we have that height parameter. So let's make it 15 feet, apply, or maybe 16 feet. So it's perfect. Now let's copy this. Then maybe you will see that here. Yes, in the level 1 we can see this light. So copy and place that to other columns also. Okay, now what's remaining? Only the corner elements. So we will use a wall to create these corner elements. So go to site plan and let's create a new wall. So first just check the thickness of this. So it's 2 inches. So we need to create a 2 inches wall. So edit type, duplicate, 2 inches, and edit thickness, make it 2 inches. Okay, and create the wall from here. But before that, just make sure the location line is set to finish face exterior. And now we can draw. Okay, just hit space to flip this and draw the wall here. And now select both of these, then change the unconnected height, change this top constraint to roof. So if you go to 3D you will see that here. so maybe we need to extend this a bit more. Select both these walls and make it and give the top offset 3 feet more, which is the height of the parapet. And now we will use wall reveal. So let's select the wall reveal from here, and we will use the same one which we have created for garage door, and let's place one here, then restart reveal and place one here. And now let's go to the front view, and we will just array this profile. Select this reveal, then array, select last and select from here, and just place one here, the bottom of this. And now we can just give the number of reveals we want. So let's make it 20 or maybe 25. So it's perfect. Now you can see it's looking very nice. So let's mirror this one. Okay, we'll delete this, the bottom one. So ungroup and then delete. You can see this sweep is going through this wall, so we need to edit this. You can see this one is going through this, so we will just edit this wall, edit profile, and we will cut that part. Just create a line like this, and on this side also, and then we will split this, split these two lines. Just click OK. You can see we fixed that one, but we need to do the same with this wall also. Select the wall, edit profile, and select line, and draw from here and from here, and split, then trim. Okay, just ignore that. So now we will just copy this corner elements to the other corners of this building. So go to site plan and select all these corner elements, and then mirror from the middle of this, from the midpoint of this wall. Could not create reveal. I will just click OK. You can see this one is already selected, so we will just hold Control key and select this also, and then mirror again, and this time we will mirror from the mid point of this wall. Okay, cancel, select the middle here like this. Okay, just click OK. So we got our corner elements also. Now let's create voids on the parapet here. So let's go to the front view. Let's select model in place from here, and I will just select walls from this dialog, then OK. Let's create the voids, but I will just see the size of the voids. So it's 7 feet, it's 7 inches. So we'll go back to the front elevation and go to create and select void extrusion from this void forms, and pick a plane and pick this plane And now let's just draw a rectangle here and change the height of this, maybe 2 feet, and then the thickness of this solid is 7 inches, so I will just take this down now. Okay, let's finish, and we need to extend this. Okay, we cannot see this. Oh yes, you can see here. So select this and just take this out of this wall on this side as well as on this. Now we need to cut this void, so select cut geometry, then the wall, then this void. Okay, let's go to the roof and we will copy this void. So just select like that, or you can just hover over, you can just take your cursor here, it will highlight. So select this void and use move and just place that here. Okay, from here, or we can just use the handles and just drag that here, and this one also just drag until here. And let's copy this and just select and copy, paste one here, but let's check this multiple and copy one here and 2 more on this side. Now we need to cut them again. You can see it didn't cut, so we need to cut. Select cut geometry, then check this multiple cut and select this wall, then these 3 voids. So you can see we got something like this. So let's, okay, this one is going inside this this corner element, so we'll just move this, select like this, just select all of these and we will move them. Let's take that out. It's perfect. Now let's select all of these. We need to detach them, so we can rotate and place them on this wall. So just click here, it's already selected, so now you can just click edit work plane and just here just click dissociate, so we can freely move these voids. Now let's finish model and go to the roof, or yes, let's go to roof and select these voids. Okay, you can just hit tab to highlight the voids, and we will copy these. This one here. Okay, selection cannot be copied, copying the hosted. Okay, so we need to be in the model, we need to be in the editor and this family editor. So select the void and edit in place, and now we will copy these. Okay, let's go to the front, select all these, just hold control key, and now we will copy this one here, and okay, let's try to mirror all these. Select all and just hold control key and select these also, and we will rotate. We will just mirror, so select mirror from here. Okay, we are in the 3D view, so we will go to the front elevation and select all again, select these 4 also, and let's mirror from the middle of this like so. But some voids here are going inside the wall here, you can see, so we need to delete these 2 as well as these. And now we need to cut this, so select cut geometry, then select the wall, and just select all these. You can see this multiple cut is checked, that's why I can cut multiple here. Okay, cancel. Cut geometry again, this time select this wall, then these voids. Okay, now let's go to the top view and we will rotate all these voids. Okay, we will select only 4 of these here. Just hold control key and rotate, copy, just give angle of 90 degrees. You can see these voids are now rotated. Now we can just move them from the middle and place here, and it's already selected, so we can just copy around here. Now select all and mirror from the middle of this wall, and then let's rotate this one. It's already selected, so you can just click copy, then give the angle of 90 degrees, move, and from the middle place that here. We need to copy this to here like so, and now I will just cut all these voids from this wall. Now finish model. So as you can see, I have cut all these voids from this parapet here. So let's work on the room here. So let's go back to roof. We will create a room here, a small room, and this part is going to be for the stairs. So let's go to architecture, select wall, and okay, we will select an 8-inch wall, then draw from here. Okay, just check the base constraint is set to roof, and top constraint, it's already unconnected, so let's give the height of 10 feet, or maybe I think 14 feet, or maybe 13. Let's draw the wall. Okay, the location line, you need to select wall center line and draw the walls on this CAD drawing. Okay, let's place the window. So I will use this one, place that here, and one on this side. Strong here, and one here. We will change the size of these windows, select all these again, and from here let's select this 48 inches by 60, and let's align that to this window here. Okay, for some reasons this window did not place before, so I will create similar and place one here like so, and I will just place the doors now. So let's select this door and place that here, and this one we will use let's use this 36 inches and place that here. So you can see here we got our room, but we need to create our roof here also. So go to okay, but before that we will just adjust the sill height of these windows. So we will just align them to the door here. So modify, align to the height of this door. Okay, what's wrong? So for some reasons it's not working, so we will just right click and select all instances, and let's change the height first. it's very long, so change the height to 4 feet. Okay, and let's just change the sill height. Let's make it 2 feet, maybe 8 inches, or 2 feet 10, 2 feet 11. So it's perfect. Let's go to roof and we will create our roof here. So select architecture, roof, and let's draw around these walls here. Okay, I will just cancel this. We will offset this, so let's use pick lines and give the offset of 3 inches. Then select this line on this side, this wall, and I will just trim this one and this. Okay, it's all joined. Now we don't want any slope, so you need to select all these lines. Then it will give you this option, define slope. Just uncheck this, and first before finishing this, I will give the base offset of this, so it will be 10 feet, and finish. Now we don't want to attach them, so you can see we got our slab here. Let's create the wall reveals here. So you will find that in this drop down, select wall reveal, then garage door. This 1 inch wall reveal we have created for the garage door, if you remember, in the second part, I think second part of this tutorial series. So now I will just cancel, and you can see we got a void here. We got this reveal here. We will just array this. So go to the south view. If you select this, it will select all the connected reveals. So now we can easily array them, array this. So let's select last from here, then just select this corner, then place the bottom of this room here. Until here maybe. Let's give the number of reveals we want, so it will be, let's try 15. So 15 are a bit more, so I will just make it 13. So it's looking perfect now. Let's look into 3D. You can see we got this kind of design here. Now I will stop this tutorial. In the 6th and the final part of this tutorial series, we will create a grass and stone patio here, and we will apply the material to this building, and then we will do rendering. So stay tuned for that. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have learned something new, so please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you guys in the next video.